In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms on your mobile phone. So let's get started. So first, we're going to open our Chrome browser and we're going to search for Google Forms. So you have to make sure you're signed in to your Google account, right? My Google account has been signed in. Then you scroll down to the first link here that says Google Forms sign in. Click on it. Alright, so we have our Google form on our screen presently. So now I'm going to show you how to edit it and go about it. So first, we're going to add a title to this form. So you want to click on this untitled form, then rename it tutorial form. Alright. And then you can add a description right here on what the form is about. This is a form for tutorial masterclass. Okay, so next you can add a question. So right here it says untitled question, so you can edit it and put the questions you want in there. So let's input a question. How did you find this form? So right here it says linear scale. This is where you can change the options you want for the form. So right here it says short answers. If you want the short answer, paragraph, multi-choice, checkbox, dropbox. You want them to upload the file. I'm gonna go with the short answer, then short answer. So this is it for the short answer text. So if you want to select, let's say, multiple choice, okay, so option 1. So the question is, how did you find this form? Option 1, let's say Google. Then option 2, Facebook. Then option 3, we can say X. Then option 4, television. So you understand what I'm trying to do here, okay? And if you want to add another question, so you can click on this plus button over here, and then you can add another question, and then you can put multiple choice or paragraph or whatever suits you. So now I'm going to show you how to add an image to your question. Alright, so click on the plus button. So we have a question. Let's say the question is this a cat or a dog? Then if you can see this image icon right here, you click on it. Alright, so option 1, we'll click on this image icon right here. So this is where we can upload our pictures. So you can either browse your phone or your webcam or URL or photos. So these are your photos on your Google account or Google Drive, Google Images. So you can select one and then insert. Alright, so here we are. Option 1, is this a cat or a dog? So you select option 1 and then you put your answer, a cat. So this is how you do it. Then you can add another option, you can put another option, and whatever answer you want. Maybe you want a short paragraph, maybe you want a long paragraph, you want them to describe the kind of cat. So this is how you add everything. So if you want to check how the form looks, you're creating it, you want to see how it looks, this is how you do it. Go to the top bar here and click on these 3 dots right here, preview, then click on preview. Alright, so this is what our form looks like. Is this a cat or a dog? Alright, so these are options. Okay, so let's answer some of this preview. Alright, so how did you find this form? Go Google. Okay, so is this a cat or a dog? Obviously a cat. Then you submit. Alright, so tutorial form, your response has been recorded. We're gonna go back to the main page to see response of people we send this form out to, how it looks. Alright, so here we go. We have a response. So this is what it looks like. This will give you the some analytics on how people gain access to your form, or the kind of people that were able to put answers in your form, where they are from and everything, so you can see everything right under here. You can check the questions they answered. How did you find this form? One response. Is this a card? Second response. Then you can check individuals that responded to the form, and then delete some forms. Alright, so here you can just delete. I actually want to delete this response, then you can delete it. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to change the theme of the form. So right on this top corner you can see this palette icon. Just click on it. So you can change the fonts, the size, the text, the header image, and the color. So let's go with this color, and the background should be this. Okay, the background should be this, and let's go with this. Then we want to change our font to Meriwether questions. Should be Meriwether, and text Meriwether. So you can change the font size, everything, and you can choose image. All right, image for the depending on the type of image you want people to see. Go with this, insert, and then we click apply. All right, so our form has a different and vibrant look, as you can see. Tutorial form. So this is a form that has to do with knowledge, so the background image makes so much sense. How did you find this form? So this is how you can change the theme and how the form looks. So if you want to send this form to someone else, other than people you don't know, so you want to send it directly to other people, click on this arrow right here on the top. Right, and you can input their email address and then send the form, or you can just copy the link and paste. So okay, and you can send it via Facebook, whatever works. Okay, so these are some of the ways you can send out the forms. So you input your email address and tutorial, and then you send it out. So if you want to link the responses to your Google Sheet, what you need to do is go to response. All right, so click on this green plus button right here. All right, so now create a new spreadsheet. Then you click on create, or select existing spreadsheet if you have existing. So tutorial form, so just click on create. All right, so a spreadsheet has been done. Select an account, then we select this account. Alright, there we go. This is the easiest way to create Google Forms on your mobile device. So if you gained something from this tutorial, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Whatever you don't understand, I'll get back to you as soon as possible.